I'm Lilin Narcy. I'm a self-taught artist from LA. I've been creating all my life. Recently, I've been very hands-on creating cute things out of polymer clay. One idea did come to mind, which was to update my keycaps. I previously had a theme of Sailor Moon and Cardcaptor's Sakura keycaps. I felt like I was still missing a level of cuteness that I was going for. I've purchased pudding caps, which I love. They are very pink inside. So I went for similar color and created charm-like keycaps. To go with my wallpaper, my mouse pad, designed by Miyoko, a talented artist who also does apparel and very cute stuff. Then my Giro-chan, a clay desk buddy that I handmade and painted. He's right inside my PC case. Just a disclaimer, I am not a professional, just learning as I do. Also, just knowledge I've picked up and gathered from other YouTube videos. I'm using Turner Acryl Gouache Yusuke Nagamura set of 12. Just an FYI, I am a noob to this medium. I have a heavy background of watercolor. Acrylic gouache I'm still messing around with, but I actually like it. It doesn't get dry as fast as acrylic, but I'm still learning things as I go. If anybody has any suggestions or comments on even artists that do gouache as well, or acrylic gouache, I would love to learn more and would love to hear your recommendations. I really appreciate it. After this, I didn't have the chance to record the resin process, but I did do so later that night. But hopefully next time I can record. I'm very bad at these things, but I'm learning. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you next time. Bye bye.